how to turn off startup app. Just go to your tab, right click and click this task manager. After clicking the task manager, you see process, perform, app history and startup. All this bunch of app, all this listed apps that is here is the app that is opening by itself whenever you turn on your laptop. You just have to disable it because it has no use to your laptop. What it's doing is to slow your laptop down. So what you have to do is to disable the unwanted app, the app that you don't want. Let it open by itself. Just look at this WhatsApp. Look at this WhatsApp right here. I will disable it because I don't need it to open by itself. And if this thing is opening by itself, this thing will slow your boot. Like if your laptop is booting, it will slow it down. You just have to disable it. Just right click, you see disable, press disable and disable the app. Just disable unwanted app. I will disable this one. Phone link, I will disable it. I don't need it. This Microsoft OneDrive, this thing, I will disable it because I don't need it. This Microsoft OneDrive, I will disable it. I don't need it. This Microsoft Edge, disable. Microsoft 30, this thing, disable. I don't need it. LinkedIn, I will disable it because I will disable the app. This bot camera, I will leave it because this my laptop is Mac. I put Windows on it, so I don't need. If I disable it, my whole laptop will like scatter all this thing. This Adobe update, I've already disabled the app. Just this is how you will disable. After doing this thing, your app won't open by itself whenever you open your laptop. So if you find this video helpful, just hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. So anytime I drop a sweet and amazing video like this, you're gonna be the first to get it. Thank you so much.